Hey guys, if you would like to see how I achieved this color, stay tuned. We're starting off with the supplies used. I used a plastic bowl, a coloring brush, a Dora Brands color, crimson and raging red, a brush, comb, clips, shower cap, and gloves. Starting off mixing the two colors together, crimson and raging red by Adore. Their brand of color, semi-color, is vegan, so I don't have to worry about it being harmful to my hair. And here, I'm just mixing the color. Starting off with shampooed, air-dried, stretched hair. Just parting my hair into sections to start applying the color to my hair. Keep in mind, I'm only applying this color to the colored part of my hair that's already colored. Here, I'm just taking the brush with the color on it and just raking it through my hair, making sure it's basically brushing like a regular brush to be evenly distributed on my strands. Excuse my facial expressions when I'm really concentrating. I like to ball my lips up like that. As you can see, after I apply the color with the brush, I'm taking my hands and smoothing the color through with my gloves. This is messy, by the way, so be prepared for color to be flying everywhere. I had it all over my legs, my arms, my face, everywhere. Now we're going to fast forward through with me applying the color. Just the same technique as I showed before. Now that I'm done applying the color, I'm going to add my shower cap and sit under my hooded dryer for, it says 15 minutes, but I sat under for 30 minutes. After I sat under the dryer, I went and shampooed and conditioned my hair in the sink, and this is what it looks like afterwards. So this is freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. Okay, now I will show a snippet of how I do my wash and go. It's not in full detail, but it's enough for you to get how I do it. And I'll be trying new products. The first product will be Afro Sheen Texture Setting Cream Gel. Next will be the 3-in-1 Nourishing Oil. And lastly, it will be the Velvet Flow 4-in-1 Leave-In, which is a detangler and a curl refresher. And now I'm going to show you guys how I do my wash and go. I start off by finger detangling each section. Now I'm spraying on the leave-in, top to bottom, raking it through with my fingers. They call this the shingling method, by the way. And then I'll apply that gel. And then you'll see me shingle each strand of my hair in this portion. And now we're just gonna speed through me doing the same process through the rest of my head. next part is diffusing. This is my favorite thing to do. I do this besides air drying because it gives me more volume towards the end. Diffusing usually takes me about 30 minutes max to diffuse my hair to make sure it's completely dry. Okay, now that I'm done diffusing, this is what my hair looks like. It's so flat. If you guys would like another video on how I fluff my wash and go to get the end result, just let me know and I'll shoot that for you guys next time. But again, I'm applying my oil to my hands and rubbing it in my hair. And these are the finished results after fluffing. Hope you guys enjoy my video. If you would, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!